Hi, Telegram SMS fee problem. Are you having issue with this? So here's how to solve it. Welcome to Glad the Tech Space. Now to do this, the first thing you have to do is to uninstall the Telegram app you already have on your device. The next is to go to your Play Store. So right here on my Play Store, just click on my profile icon. From here, the next thing you have to do from my profile. So right here, just click on Play Protect. So make sure you turn off your play protect. So if your play protect is being turned on this way, you just have to click on the gate icon here and turn it off. That is it. Next step you can take is to go to your Chrome browser, type in old version of Telegram, click on the first link here. So right here you're going to see the different Telegram that we have here, but I recommend Telegram 11.91 version. So you just have to scroll, click on see more. 11.9, just click on it, look for it. So it's a better version. Look at it here. So you can just install it on your device. Just install it on your device and make use of it. It will. So when you install it and log into the app, all you have to do is to click on the back test there. Telegram will call you to call the verification code or text you the verification code, but most times they do call to send the verification code, so you just have to enter it and log into your account. So guys, that is it on how to fix this. I hope this guide, if this video was helpful, do want to follow Glide Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.